Hello everyone. I'm Sachin Sawan, business line manager on behalf of Chicago Pneumatic Compressors. Would like to take this opportunity to tell you more about our company as well as CNG product what we are offering it in the market. I'm based in Pune where the manufacturing facility is located. CP is known as a pioneer in piston and screw compressors, and it also has a wide range of air and gas compressors to cater to various segments of the market. The CNG business, which I represent, comes into a air compressor division. We have two variants. One is motor driven and another one is engine driven compressor. These are mostly required by various city gas distribution companies and are installed at various CNG stations. CP is already a market leader for many years and we are recording strong double digit growth year on year. I would also like to add that our business potential of the CNG is immense, and as forecasted by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, in the next 10 years we will see a potential growth in approximately 10,000 plus CNG stations all across the country. The product development has been a key feature, and we offer value to our customers by developing a new product such as booster compressor, uh, then integrated package, which is a smaller footprint machine for small CNG stations, then biogas compressors. Our machines offer highest energy efficiency and fuel efficiency. USP of our product is zero wind loss to the atmosphere, that is zero methane emission. So these machines helps customer to reduce their carbon footprint. Another essential factor in this market is service delivery to our end customers. As all the CNG station they are operational 24 by 7 throughout the year, our dedicated service team has been ensuring maximum availability of machine. Maximum availability of machine means more revenue to customers and maximum availability of gas to consumers. Citing these advantages, many of our major key customers, and most of them, they are all leading CGD companies such as Gale Gas, Gujarat Gas, Indraprastha, Mahanagar, Torrent, Adani, etc. Name a few are using the product and the services. As this business comes under the essential category, we have extended our complete support to the industry in the current COVID 19 crisis by ensuring 24 by 7 availability of gas by maintaining the highest safety standard. Our reward in this time of the crisis is generous appreciation received from various customers and the support what we provided to them. I'll only sum up by saying we are committed to live up to our brand promise, that is people, passion and performance. By continuously investing in development of our people, product, services to offer more value to our customers. Thanks a lot.